Drills are one of the most common yet most misunderstood tools. Hello and welcome to my online handheld power drill course. My name is Caris Williams, also known as the Salvage Sister, and I'm a practicing artist, designer and maker. I'm also your host, guiding you through the incredible world of handheld power drills. Whether you want to get into DIY and renovating your home, or creative woodwork, metalwork, upcycling, drilling glass and plastics, you name it, you're going to need to know how to use a drill and how to decipher all of the components. I designed this course to teach you how to be safe and efficient while drilling all of those materials and to answer those niggling questions that you have. Head to salvagesister.co.uk/learn-online or click the link below to join my online course right now and learn how to use all of these power tools and much, much more.